We're making the best popcorn yummy party treat. Sticky milk chocolate and ginger popcorn feasts. So to start, put your chocolate straight in the pan with some butter and add your ginger and your golden syrup. Now don't be tempted to put too much golden syrup in, stick to the recipe. And then mix it all together into a gorgeous gooey chocolate yumminess. So let the chocolate cool down a little before you gently coat all the chocolate around your popcorn. And then make your 6 gooey nice balls ready to go straight into the fridge. Any last gooey bits can go on top because they're soaking all sticky and help stick the balls together. So pop those into the fridge. And then we're going to make our display case. So I've just got a shoebox here. I've got some lovely papers that I think might look pretty. So have a play around and enjoy yourself. I'm going for, yeah, the doily looks pretty. I like the doily on the top. It's reminiscent of a little bakery somewhere or something. And then you want 6 skewers, which you just prong straight through the lid. It's not difficult to push them through, but leave a good space between each one. And then once they're all in, you actually want to take them all out again and put the point on the top side instead of the bottom. And that's the way they will actually go in. And then we want to get some ribbons to make our bows. So you need to think of a colour scheme. There might be a colour that goes with your party decor design. I'm just going for a real country summer garden, summer fair prettiness. So I'm going to do a mixture of bows, red, green and probably some yellow ones as well. So leave a nice space at the top to prong your feasts when they come out of the fridge soon. But wait till just before you're serving to put your feasts on the top. So there they are, all looking lovely. So I've just got one more green one to make. And then once they're ready from the fridge, you can just gently get them out and squidge them on the top just before your guests arrive, because we don't want them to be in a warm room starting to melt or anything. But don't they look absolutely gorgeous? And the added ginger with the chocolate is honestly simply just divine. And this recipe, as well as some fabulous savoury popcorn dish ideas, is in my new popcorn books. We've got savoury, sweet, salads, party bites, that's where today's one is. Lots of fabulous colourful photos throughout the whole book. And there's what we've made today. Sticky milk chocolate and ginger popcorn feasts. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do subscribe and pop back soon